Hey guys, Addy555 here. Today we're going out to Ravensbourne to check out the views after the recent bushfires and to see how much greener it's gotten since we've got all of this rain depositing on top of us. We've been to this cafe a couple of times and it's to the north of Toowoomba, and you may have seen it in a few vlogs that we've done before. And I brought along for today's video my DJI Mavic Air drone. So we're going to fly that. And I brought along my DJI Mavic Air to get some aerial footage, so we'll get some shots of that as well. So it's going to be a good video, so stay tuned. So if you've been living under a rock for the last 3 months, you wouldn't really know, but here in Australia we've had some pretty extreme drought conditions and a lot of areas are on water restrictions. But we've had some massive downpours of rain into this area here. So we're at the eastern coast of Australia, west of Brisbane. And there has been massive amounts of rain over the last 3 days in this area, and we've got a bit of sunshine today, so we needed to get out on the bike to show you all. And coming up in the weather forecast for the next week, there is a lot more rain in this area coming, and thunderstorms, and you can see all the clouds that are built up in the sky there. There's even potential for floods to happen in this area, so we've gone from one extreme to another. Those extremes being the harsh conditions of the drought, the areas being really dry and dusty, to raging bushfires all the way through, to now severe thunderstorms and floods coming. So we're getting smashed pretty hard with climate change. So during the bushfires, this whole road got blocked off. You couldn't go down it at all, and the area got evacuated just as a precaution for all the smoke and fires that was around here. Now I haven't seen any trees that have any fire damage on them, and it does look very green out here now, but a few weeks ago this would have been a dust bowl. It is quite amazing how much everywhere around here has greened up. So you would have seen in the last video how dry and dusty it was at Gowrie Mountain, Mount Gowrie. Essentially it was like that all over the southeast Queensland area, but now it's as green as what you'd expect in the northern hemisphere, like England or something like that. It is so green, it kind of hurts your eyes. It's fluorescent. So the last time we were up here at the Gus Butel lookout was when Dirty D's came over from America, and Governor 947 and Dirty D's and myself came up here and we had a bit of a look. So we're back here again, but time to get the drone out. Alright, successful drone flying. Now we're off to get some chocolate mocha latte, vanilla, soy, extra dollop of cream and a marshmallow on the side coffees. So we'll get back on the bike. So this cafe is literally just around the corner, and every time we come out here we always stop in and get a coffee and a cake or something from there. It's quite pretty good, so we'll do that again. Oh, and the sun's come out as well. I've had a good feed. Time to say goodbye to this view and head on home. Alright, so as usual, keep safe out there on the road, stay on two wheels and not on your head, and I'll see you all next Tuesday. Laters! Gee whiz.
It's beautiful.
What is this? We'll find out in next week's episode.